Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Ensure your Google account has Gemini access and get an API key. Once done, install Python 3.10 or newer and create a virtualenv to avoid system conflicts. Make sure to pip install the Gemini client library and export Gemini API KEY into your shell environment. This prevents embedding secrets in code. By doing these first steps, now you save debugging later, and you're ready to run the initial retro-compatible model requests in the next stage. You now configure the Gemini retro variant. Pick the exact model name and set the context window to match your data. For example, 4096 tokens if you plan long retrievals. Then implement tokenization and any chunking logic so vectors and metadata align. This prevents mismatch errors. Make sure to add robust retry logic and rate limit handling because network hiccups break long retro runs. Also enable structured logging so you can trace retrieval hits versus misses during evaluation and tuning. You execute end-to-end tests with representative queries and immediately compare results to a baseline to validate retrieval fidelity. Once you see gaps, tune retriever hyperparameters like top K and score thresholds and adjust embedding dimensions or normalization to improve matches. Make sure to monitor token usage to avoid truncation. If something goes wrong, first verify your API key, confirm you're not exceeding token limits, and ensure vector indexes align with stored metadata. That single check fixes most retro integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.